Here we are doing headlight restoration, that is. Gonna try this mother's kit. I don't get anything from saying that. It's just what I had in the shop. You can see maybe in here there is overspray. I don't know if you've watched this channel with this truck, but the guy painted the bumper while it was still on. He has one of those steel bumpers. We're reworking it. That's why it's all off. But he oversprayed everywhere. And so we're going to do paint correction later in a different video. This video, we're going to do the headlight. See if we can get it to come around. If not, we're going to order new ones. They're only a couple $100, but you know, every couple hundred adds up. This guy comes with the Powerball. Not the one that makes you rich, but the one that comes with the kit. What is this? Severe damage. Well, okay. Now you got me curious here, because I would say these are severely damaged. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Okay. So we wet sand with these. We soak them in water, and then they're just sanding blocks. I'm going to give that a go, but it says to do the Powerball thing first, so I'm going to do that first. Step 1, attach it to a drill, tighten it, add a nickel-sized amount to the center of the ball, polish with the drill, small areas until it's clean and clear, back and forth, overlapping motion, pretty common. Buff it clean with a microfiber cloth, which they give us here, and just one cloth. Okay, probably should shake it. Okay, here we go. Seems fine. So it's cleaning up the lens. So I'm going to come in here with some mineral spirits, see if I can get this paint off, the overspray. Okay, I'm going to come back in here with this stuff. I don't know if it's supposed to be that liquidy. So it's kind of smoothish now. I'm going to do that wet sanding. Soak these. You could probably just get you some sandpaper and a sanding block, but it's cool they come with it. Just a tedious process. Go to number 2 now. And then number 3. And number 4. Okay. Set this somewhere where I won't lose it. Perfect. I'll wipe it dry. And that's starting to look better. I gotta be honest. Now we'll let that one dry, and then we'll buff it. And while that's drying, I'll wet sand the other one. Alright, that side's sanded. So now, come over here and buff. And, you know, I'm really not that impressed. But I think it's passable. So, is it worth the money? So I'm going to say no. You can just mix up your own batch of abrasive stuff. You know, like baking soda and water. And some people use toothpaste. It doesn't really matter. And probably get the same results. But the wet sanding is a good idea, and you could probably even get like a foam disc like this for your drill, and then like a circular pad, and just do like 800, 1000, 1200, and 2000 or something, or 1000, 1500, 2000, you know, something. And I think, man, you're probably gonna be in pretty good shape. I'm not gonna buy this stuff again, but since I have it, I'll keep using it until it's gone. And then 70s mechanic trick, WD-40 on headlights shines them up real nice. You can use mineral oil too, but who has a bottle of mineral oil around, you know? Everyone's got a bottle of WD-40, so, you know, if you want your lights to be shiny for a car show or your Craigslist ad or whatever you're doing,